Hi, I'm Bjorn. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make escargot stuffed mushrooms. Use a melon baller to remove the stems from half a pound of mushrooms. Then use a lemon reamer to get 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Add half a cup of softened butter to a mixing bowl. Then add half a cup of grated parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon finely chopped cilantro, the lemon juice, 3 minced garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon hot sauce. Then mix all ingredients well. Place the mushroom caps in an oven-safe baking dish with the stem side facing up. Then place an escargot in each mushroom cap. And add a tablespoon of mix on top of each mushroom cap. What is your favorite stuffed mushroom recipe? Let us know in the comments. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes until the butter is bubbling on top and the mushrooms have a dark hue. And there you have them, escargot stuffed mushrooms. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and again, thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe.